Enti Nhyira TV journalist Nana Jantuah ochire mu se until say Galamsey be twa Ghana ha de he John Mahama NDC appointee onya o mukula Nana Jantuah abaye kana adwene a kire NDC for so far as Galamsey eye concern obebo na adwene pa e da kire mu say Galamsey fight ne de NDC for me Ghana for a cause omo abedi trokese a kire Ghana for be ma nkire mu no a kire wadwene amame ewo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say need obe like video no that am subscribe button stand click notification icon of latest updates aba kire wa adwen dia mama ewo comment section me so baso anu a share video for so anya bi ahwe eto ba Ghana ha no mo dia ye ka the issue of Galamsey abeda no bo achi bidini what dey say ya the issue of Galamsey no ya politicizing no enti say MPP for ewo so a obi a obeka Galamsey ho asem bia obebo aban na chi bia no ye so ye NDC ni sa na NDC for ba ban mu NDC for na no mo Galamsey achi with Akufo no mo Akufo na chi no and omo share Ghana for bo akese say omo stop no omo ba ye no aya west abusia Ghana so nyina na anya say condemn other say ezo nyina nya age off aye kana ama takura de kura no Galamsey aduru ho no mo we kwaya da ho no mo no abusia tray kwa na da ho no mo no ye de Galamsey just say Ghana no now no everything in this country no PhD is Galamsey wants to be done watch bidini state of emergency na opposition yenuamo NDC for ya kasa abani declare state of emergency no more the pressure ese Akufo do say on declare state of emergency no omo ba ye omo say no masa there be nya botre state of emergency is not the solution to this issue it will going to be end declare but when they were in opposition no now omo the pressure is the then government as I say on declare state of emergency and there was one particular person Akufo for a tough time when it comes to the issue of Galamsey Nana Jantuah na NDC so ba ye no na Jantuah hwemu no say there be aba odi bo ba no on the side ba akroda e be tachi if he said na or trust NDC ni Mahama the most estimate of fight Galamsey ba o hedo mo ye yi agozua enya agogoro Galamsey fight no omo 80 Nana Jantuah abe clash with NDC so far as Galamsey aye concern where is small kan
me hu say multimedia ye the documentary bi by a friend Dear Mahama na sa Dear Mahama no ye the picture bi ene to so na picture ne ye do onu ni din ene ye de ato Galamsey eso into why who Dear Mahama stop Galamsey now na eno ye documentary bi a eye multimedia ye taye pa na e baaye no well the good thing is say Honorable Frank Amwakohene Doctor Regional Minister of Ashanti Region Miankasa Minia any raise say oh na dentini ye de yera John Mahama picture mom and na to so ye documentary no na osusu say yera John Dramani Mahama obon homoden efa saa enioma no ho enti picture na ye use ne de emboa enti ha adwen now picture we near the ato so mpacho over Facebook ya de saa picture no e na ato so Jeff pe Nana Akufo-Addo de no e ma me pe Nana Akufo-Addo de no e ma me nso enti brabesha picture first picture ye di kan e de to so na saa first picture na ye de to so no a joint news feature series Dear Mahama any a picture atoso na joy for ne de toso no yera Frank Amwakohene o say oh picture we dey na ni kwanse ye ne sa na ni kwanse ye de to ne so na enti e ha adwen of course multimedia for no asesa no but wuntie ha multimedia for a joy for as a picture. But I don't see anything wrong with the picture. Miana Miniane Frankamwakohine, you know my position. But I disagree with Minia regional minister. Now I don't even see why I wasn't joining so we use our picture. The picture should have been there. I disagree, say multimedia, joy news. Almost a picture now. You did John Mahama Atosono. I disagree. I was say the picture no toso. Nanka why you the picture toso? Ah, Minia regional minister. Franka Mwakwihini, why you the picture toso? I was say the John Mahama president the picture ne toso. And the picture no dey okay and one and no pay me use. I mean, my trana has said, na picture we crowd do man yadi. I wasn't comedy AI. President John Mahama ne cabinet no na cabinet no insuo sa river tunnel ne nasefo. Sa AI ne meye AI President John Mahama omuti cabinet no insuo no mu no river tunnel wa ha, river ayensu wa ha, river hwan wa ha. Ah, enti Minia regional minister na me bo yem. Me say, of course, Joy News and I me instead of me mayor fufro. Me din President John Mahama or take cabinet. A river tano ni river pra ni nasefo omujine jinemu. Be share Facebook 2019. I want you to get the other picture so the the toast on man no. I want you to me person NDC for a picture of Nana Akufo-Addo. We crowd they say the John Mahama din abakama ne nima efe kama. We dey ye Nana Akufo-Addo ye tutu na nima Galamsey enim. Please get me that photo. The only thing is say Minia Franka Mwakohin regional minister sebi anya te say standogwa odi ahantan didi obi atem no. O kan ye disagree and I respect that. The good thing is say anya te say standogwa Sandogo di ankobeka se yajimi jimimpo. But at least regional minister does say he disagrees, and that is perfect. Yet yes, and ama joy for assessa omude me edit and come in sesano. So I'm using this dear Mahama picture we are coming soon. Ah, dear ni anye na Akufo-Addo wa hawo Galamsey ho. Ye mu bi kra de ya bompa she de na Akufo-Addo NDC for. What did you say about that? I hate hypocrisy. Sanya tumno yenyai. As a 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. Shedia wuya na Akufo-Addo bra Facebook na behe. NDC for get joy for and etina mu yesa. Do you think say John Mahama president respectfully or a demigod na? Onya demigod do. Onya bosom. You create bosom from people and it messes up. Your picture way ye cry joy cry there ye President Mahama nim ye. She the NDC for mu ye no. Mututu na Akufo-Addo enim de Galamsey. That one was okay. Mu use the year campaign. Mu use way na Akufo-Addo first way second of Galamsey. Ye nyina ye support say on fight Galamsey. You were using this picture NDC for many abreno. Satam no mumu say na kan asem no. Na Akufo-Addo ye this picture way ye no mumu say na NDC for pen na ka say e won sem for mamu nyusu and say oh oye panyi NDC ni ben mu de mo dem mu obi show say ye use sa picture way NDC ni bi ka say Joy FM multimedia insure FM my nyusu sa picture no. You see those things in the moment we create a demigod from people, we create a demigod. And to once afi enche and then my yo muya hantai no. The moment a muhu ni say president yen kanasem no, and then obon so be nyina ne yen kanasem no ya hantai. What is it about respectfully the president yen timi nyusu nanim? Constitution no why na was so hwe? Yen kenkan sa de no hada. Constitution no why na agudie no heso? Say nano yen kase me nano on the platform me bot now say because I will never forgive Nana Akufo-Addo. So wa ma yen so aye brown. Man can waha. Many am breed bia on MPP. Say Nana Akufo-Addo. Wa share ma Galamsey na asay. Na denti ne ntimi kan che ye John Mahama say ono so share ma Galamsey na ekoso. What is it about John Mahama that we cannot talk about it in terms of Galamsey? And honestly, I don't see why Joy FM was some we. Na me enter me use we no. Dear, we are me use. Me and me no. Regional minister, me and me I'm different, but I also disagree. Honestly, then you can say multimedia. I was saying, we cried do my idea. I wasn't coming to tune any nibi. I was a cabinet ni na ya din su fi ni bi si wo. Perastos DNMA, Perastos DNMA. Yes. No, what's the son? Okuje to ablakwa. Nanu okuje to ablakwa. Na okuta saade no cabinet okuta insufino na Joy FM ye twitwa no. Eno na nam use the campaign. Near dear na Akufo-Addo. You see, I hate it. We need to stop that hypocrisy. Say John Mahama dia mayenka. There be nanu be the same thing I'm saying. Say na Akufo-Addo mayenka. John Mahama dia. It may be mekasa de John Mahama onyenipa. Because it was a time I said na Akufo-Addo be biano. It was okay in the sight of MPP. It was okay when we are criticizing na Akufo-Addo. It was okay. But all of a sudden, the moment you touch John Mahama, hey, stomach journalist, hey, President John Mahama, for Christ, he's serving us. And I want to say, the pe and obey. Nani tiri cry. Quabrochena cartoonist nibi. The mo left and right. Yet you chroma, mo a bradina couple. She okuje to blakwa. And no displays are dewy. Okuje to ablakwa me ankasa me ni okuje to ablakwa saa bre no e na no display saa de wu na akotwa ye enjoy FM4 Erastus Asaredon ko ne kosesa insuo no river oda river hwan river yensu river nyina e na yera okuje to ablakwa at that time parliament all display bra Facebook na be he saa mra ne de ne ye Samre na ne kasa na Akufo-Addo e na Galamsey no ono utu se na Akufo-Addo watiasi me ehunu nsuo no NDC for anamu ye we anamu de campaign e boy abaso no samre na anamu use ye documentary any ye pictures yewra okuje to ablakwa ekuta bi no samre mi busa se samre na Akufo-Addo o te se otu Galamsey makatem se Ghana nyamo de Ghana nya NDC ni MPP de we are not going to allow you akwenya enti so hunya akwenya na wo soma de ye pebia ye be ye President John Mahama de ye pebia ye ne ye tua ne ka ye ne to ne boxer shorts mano ye ne to ne singlet mano ni shoe ni milo awon ye ne to mano de pen obeye enya de ono pen obeye and now you full soldier you don't care enya wo de wo person o kire ne wo se ye ma wo obi anka nche so me president obi anka nche president nya by force sa wo do ho ba wo do ho aba munyanya atwom no yes President John Mahama airborne homodin but ye pese ade no etu ase enya te say wo born homodin o because Galamsey every day nipa in fact every minute obi nya kidney problem every minute obi nya liver problem obi nya cancer enti enya te say ye twen there be ye be sini hune so akopem say ye better say afi de ya flash all the Galamsey out na ye nso ne protect it. Damre na no kuje to black white display nso no NDC for be ne kan say oh enya fede honorable mo ye munyai samre no me bana me be kekamu egu na Akufo-Addo ni MPP so na bon nsem akwedo ka no krepa adwuma na no na oye no na ka say Galamsey me makacho say Galamsey no so wo ye obi oye Galamsey ana abaya won solve no me no unye free when it comes to issues of Galamsey opa ye den when it comes to issues of destroying the water I will not allow you mentwe maw ya bro ya bre me say san so we munye editing ni mamu amutimi editing no monfa President John Mahama ni tintwa so na onkuta san so no na mun display moma cabinet no metwa cabinet no monfa nso ni bi nsi so maye AI monfa nye ni enka dear John Mahama koma stop Galamsey now ye be use President John Mahama ni pictures aye bibia when it comes to Galamsey. Me and Aminiane Frankamo, but I disagree with him. And in fact, I disagree with Joy FM. Me platform, me disagree. Say, mu picture no because what is pressure? Pressure. Oh, my full soldiers a dictator amount. Pressure. Have you forgotten our job? Chapter 12 of the Constitution, the DNAK. Kind Constitution, chapter 12. Or say every day hold the government accountable to the people. It is our mandate, constitutional right. When we are now creating demigod of Indian Kasana, so mudi yanye yesuru, Debbie. For soldiers, it's part of the organized flag. Means our project in mind. It's part of psychology. They penkophobia no maba be attack you. Nafi we am show Debbie. Yelpa Ghana 9 people for nyina agada kra mfa na NDC mo pa mo mra emfa ye beje Ghana esu ho Mekan chapter 12 kakra bi achiro freedom and independence of the press amu no answer mu yesi ya no bi eye de ope article Chapter 12 of the Constitution, freedom and independence of the media is hereby guaranteed. Okay, I say 5 no 1625. I say all agencies of the mass media shall at all times be free to uphold the principles, provisions, and objectives of this Constitution, and shall uphold the responsibility and accountability of the government to the people of Ghana. Article 162, clause 5. Go and read it. Yeah, Jumani said at all times, yeah, John Mahama, and you can so home because me mama na kufa do home. It's me John Mahama so home. I'm not forcing you to listen to me. Now, I'm going to MP before saying, "Nya force tie me." Into NDC ni now unya happier. Ko tie di omu be ka bibia ma me ntra because NDC one PP.
Blue water guard for you almost say omo kwahwehwe Galamsey site ni aja abna e ma na omuwom na omo nyenyimu also me say I'm not exaggerating. I have a report on this like that. Omo nyenyimu because Galamsey for no nyenyam omo Galamsey what you say mama Mahama after why America no e serious issue me enye say omo nyenyi eye sika na efra from na wo Galamsey guys ya wo say okọ Galamsey guy aba okite sika de omo hye omo futuro sa na omo ntade na omo hye very expensive. I have friends like that, so I know how omo life start here. Don't Galamsey yes ne minus na omo bu sika omo osiketu blue water gas no siketu e na omo ne sisi blue water gas no omo ne girls ne woman no friendly and go and look into what I'm saying.
You said you have a report, I'll take it. I'll take it.
And yes, I report. They call and they tell me. Me work man say Galamsey side be brave wo hono. They call. Omo influence girls no. Enti ye best Mahama, mama mani nko ho. Yeah man no. The Galamsey yes ni bi on no if they are in a relationship a burden wakwa hint kra say ni pass me say na ye Galamsey nti or security agencies na man. And that's exactly my point. Okwa twempena. Okay, Mate. What you say? Empena no so no sikanti na okwa twempena. Na sika no me ye blue water guard na ketua na so mani. Na menya obi a month. Last year akwala bi ba out. O se na nado. Me boy e de o se boso me o ma me 500 Ghana. Obetumi ama me satika. Nti ye ma ye kwa ho ya nti Mahama. E man na mo de o ma to blue water guard no. I don't think it's to me no say Juma it is fake to them.
Look at it.
It's fake to them. No Juma. Juma. Meaning say Juma but say the one very education not to do the but say and say if it
I'll fight Galamsey in 2 weeks. I'll use AI to fight Galamsey. We will go after the kingpins of the Galamsey. We will go and register all excavators. Now we're saying that winning the Galamsey fight will demand a very big budget. It's very well understand. It's very understandable now. I mean, you downplayed the role. Some of your officials said the things that they couldn't have done. Now you are running away from the very things that you propose, among which included, issuing a state of emergency, among a host of others. But if you are shifting the goalposts, I mean, it is for your legacy and it's for your reputation. This afternoon, I think the president closed their IPR conference, and then he was saying that we need a lot of conversation, we need a lot of communication. we've gone beyond that. The communication, the conversation, and that people should open up. And I cannot but doff out my heart to this gentleman, Ashigbe Kennedy Ashigbe, the CEO of the Chamber of Mines. Completely agree with everything he said. You have a scientist at the presidency, go and do a presentation and create an impression that the water turbidity levels are better. When we have moved from 14,000 to 98,000, rather than use the proper metrics of the water quality index to do assessment of what we are drinking, the guy blew it down and said that everything was fine. It was good that Ashigbe questioned him. Ashigbe is asking a clearly cut out. You said there's going to be a fast track court. What are the deadlines? What are the deadlines? What are the granular KPIs that the people must hold you on to? You know, and I knew they thought they could bring the CSOs for them to sing their praise. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that wasn't going to happen. Because even before the election, the CSOs sent a statement for you, the presidential candidate, to sign, among which included the issuance of a state of emergency. So for you to now shift the goalposts and then create an impression as though there has not been any proper system, we are all completely oblivious of how to solve the issue, that is for your reputation. But as we talk about, you cannot deceive the people all the time. And I could see the anger, I could see the vexation in the voice of Penyah Ashigbe as he asked the question. There are so many things this government said, and they've acted completely differently as they had the power. Of course, there are political dimensions which will take a lot of political will in fighting, but they don't, obviously. Now the president is telling us we need a lot of millions, a lot of money, big budget to fight Galamsey. When you were telling us your predecessor was complacent, for which reason he couldn't fight it. What has changed in 9 months? What has changed? When people from your camp said that you could fight this in 2 weeks, what has changed? It's for your reputation, it's for your credibility, and it's for your integrity. I mean, generation yet unborn will have to see your statement, and that's why some of us keep writing, some of us keep doing videos, so that all of us will see who actually is committed to the fight. Now, Nado said, I'll put my presidency on the line, and he actually paid for it. What are you putting on the line? Speeches? Let the good people of Ghana judge. My name is Koba P. Like, share, comment, and buy my books, all that I call. Buy my books. I'm here to market more. I've distributed a lot today by buying my books to support the movement. Thank you so much.
I also told that the politics don't change. You're dealing with the issue. The fact that say what Belmont doesn't mean that you should support everything that is happening. I spoke against Galamsey under my government. Mampenifa in Nancy form. I am happy to see when invite CSOs no. So momra no mo form adwen kiremra. But questions o mo bi say street ni so ne say. Na mampeni nim say CSOs no wonim de. E na no mo call for state of emergency in opposition no. No nim say CSOs no wonim de. And the one introduce CSOs no ama ban ba ko no. Na mo say aban declare state of emergency. Abna ba bia bedun si declare state of emergency a oman no ye be kwa akobọ no ofe yase. Mikrom sante atim dwaso wonim ho wonam kumase kwan so da bia mikrom sante atim dwaso efiri se yete Ghana nya independence eja toto breso anaga yi eye gokos no yentu mining wo hoda 9 months in government mama licenses so bi mira ho mining okuta prospecting licenses adon ye emaburu na sorry ye chechi wo mafamo every room ho
enche go and mine.
Okay, so let me tell you the reason why I'm saying this. Mahama is here, so be truthful. All my two Galamsey ni nyina kuta prospecting licenses.
But it's illegal.
It's illegal, yes.
Because the prospecting
no, the proper prospecting. You first excavator and the prospecting.
No.
Yeah, the machines. But the reality on the ground, no, prospecting the excavator na. Because yeah, I am telling you, I've gone to mining sites and then maintain crime in America. Prospecting air person, you know, yeah, the excavators in the air. Me kuro muja aso di American. the other prospecting the excavator by the Pamono. And then you say they don't know. We know. So one my mom license for prospecting, you know, because they are not large scale miners. Small scale miners, no money that kind of strength or they quarter machines, you know, and they are detecting gold. Into a corner or two from no Koshia Rockwa. And the funny thing is that Abraham this is a corner or two gold in Obey. I'm a boy buying a man, they say, I find my co be to move my license. Obey. This is a near solve problem. No,
okay,
no free home. Airtime, a sell of mine or mine dancing, and the idea to a day to preno. Abraham him, Yame Bay Wadom, or May Baba Yini. Now, if you walk with you, the Nijin walk and another Galamsey are saying, sir. Galamsey not saying agony. Nabaku for Nipami and Saka craving edity on Galamsey. Yen I am sorry for politics in Toncheng. Na yan koko no man nyi I am from form hunyim opinion leaders in form hunyim no munya isa yan funi bi so gigi sika e o minus ne ho e ma o nsase abanya care for the next 20 years e de ekoso 20 years grow with 10 years time no Ghana yenya koko ba ko export because you trading in good to Galamsey. Okay. Because cocoa farmer no abere what trust of do the cocoa now the next 20 years sika obi abe dey man the next what dey asase be to Galamsey no onya what do cocoa be 25 years ni we 100,000 that
oh video be papa be was no
yes
what do cocoa adan kra wentimi NCB otwa ne cocoa to Galamsey
was it dying
yes
and these are the realities. No, you're pushing Crawford to do that kind of illegal friend say business in him. Oh man, sorry. Maybe they me feel say, sir, your friend say military zone say green belt na ye declare forest no. It's not enough. You bet me I am na year. Said ye so back I abna 2019 amampani Akufo-Addo de total ban at all mining so no. Na ye Galamsey nko mining in general. Or the total ban yen so ni anything you. Because that time na say we mine na so komulem na do kwa koye dwuma soldier fo ni nya boat oku wa na ape
na san say
me ba ho to bo ase me nya musuban ni bi me nya musuban ni bi
e dey suban
o dey total ban ne to so no ensuo na ni te ye lift ban no e na jinsam e jinsam jintre ha.
So why do you lift?
Enu ti ne lift ya Ghana for to abeti ayen se mo sanfa ban ne mra Faban no tuso.
Anya honorable ayu no ka say mo ban ne so.
Ghana for to abeti ayen. Massively.
Money making the way so we are no
ba. Mitie o. Asem Americans so Ghana for pe. Ya de wo yi.
Na so enough time. Me enough time.
Abra say a house here no many. No. Abra the good thing is that Ghana for nyina sorry. Nien kan chairman Penyah say won't declare total ban on mining. Okay. You make sure say yes when you na ate. Anything we are afei sa security zones na wo ye no obetimi aye. River body so ko ho a esu tenkel. Ade we ye ja ma China for abedin se mu no ma mu otimi go China.
Na me da fesi ma me ai.
Me dis ye no.
Oh.
Me dis ye no.
Me so many.
Be me di jam kwan nyina na say Penyah declare state of emergency on mining.
Okay.
Ubet ma chere wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.